Do you want to know my chi is just off? I need a reset.
Right. All right, guys. Hello and
Hi.
welcome back. We are the Puzzle Couple, and we're here with another puzzle. This one's going to be kind of a small one. We think it's going to be easy-ish because it's small and it's got large pieces to it.
I don't know. It's got a lot of green.
It does have a lot of green, but it does have some buildings and stuff like that, which is always fun. And it's got
that's
peoples.
like flowers.
And it's got cows, so, you know.
I love cows.
Yeah.
Cows are like my favorite things to put
together.
I'm like first cows and then people and then I don't know.
Yeah.
I haven't thought that far.
Yeah, I haven't really thought about it.
Charles Wysocki, my friends.
Yeah, let's see. Let's get that close to see. Hopefully it's not cutting it off. But it's pretty cool looking puzzle. Maybe I need to take pictures of them and kind of put it in if I can. I'm not sure.
Yeah, we get
because we're
quite
not
a
the
few.
best. We're not the best at making videos yet. We're still learning. I need to probably take a class. That would probably be the best thing to do.
This is Jolly Hill Farms.
Jolly Hill Farms. Okay, cool.
And this is Buffalo.
300 pieces.
The pieces, it does say large pieces on the box, and we opened it up.
Yep. Somebody's already done it, but oh yeah, these are kind of large pieces. So, how big is this puzzle gonna be? Because see,
Oh my gosh.
That's like really big, kind of.
Yeah, that's about the size of my thumb almost.
Yeah.
I want to see. Let me see.
So, let's see. What does it say size-wise?
Yeah,
What's the
that's
size
pretty
of this
long.
puppy?
I just saw it.
Did you?
Oh,
here
right
we
there.
go. Okay, so it's 21 and a quarter by 15 inches. So
That, because our table's about 33.
33. Yeah, 33 by 33. It's a regular card table. So, yeah. So that's cool. Might as well dump this out where we got it, huh?
Yeah, take a look
Wow.
at that.
Look, this.
Oh, the bag is so
Yeah,
cute.
this bag has got.
Oh
here,
my
you got it
gosh.
here.
Yeah, look at that. It's like little flower pots.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what a cute baggie.
Yeah. Now we've done quite a few Charles Wysockis. It seems like we like them. They're always very interesting. We love the pictures or the paintings that he's done. But here's they came with it came with the puzzle, a poster. Of course, it came with the puzzle.
The poster came with the puzzle.
Wow, that's amazing. Some of these other ones look like they might be kind of cool. I don't think we've done any quilt maker or bang, boom, bam, and pow. Or Dampy Donuts on a dreary day. Now that one would be fun. Donuts.
Dampy Donuts on a dreary day. Dampy.
Dampy Donuts on a dreary day.
Sounds kind of wet and soggy.
It does. But we had some of that this year. This year, here where we lived, was pretty wet for a while. You know, so kind of crazy.
Pretty wet, yeah. So, you guys, stay tuned. We will give our feedback on the puzzle. You know, the basics, any false fits, how will it fit together, what we liked about it.
I just noticed this is very thick pieces too.
Oh, they are thick.
Yeah. So this would probably be very good for either older people or younger children.
Yeah, because 300 is a pretty good size.
Yeah, pretty good size.
So, and look at this piece, has little flowers in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. But yeah, okay. I'm excited.
Yeah, this should be fun. So yeah, stick around, like and subscribe because we need you more than you need us. So anyhow, yeah, just like and subscribe.
Yeah, just like and subscribe and comment. It
And
helps
comment,
us with the algorithms.
Yeah, plus we like interacting with people or talking with people or writing with people or whatever you want to call it. so it's a lot of fun. We've had some great interactions with a lot of you guys already, and we definitely want to get more.
Yeah, and I think that this is going to be a what was it, a ribbon?
Yeah, I think this looks like it's probably a ribbon.
A ribbon cut.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, okay, so this will be fun to put together, you guys.
Yep.
We'll see you on the other side.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey guys!
Welcome back.
Yep.
We did it.
Very quickly, by the way.
We did do it very quickly.
It was like 40 minutes. So for us, for a 300 piece, 40 minutes is pretty darn good for us.
I think it usually takes us like an hour.
Hour and a half, yeah.
An hour and a half.
Somewhere around there. So this was quick. It was fun though. Very easy. the easiest, definitely the easiest Charles Wysocki that we've done.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah, I thought that it would be hard because of all the green, but actually that was pretty easy.
Yeah.
There she goes.
Yeah, they just finished eating, so they're
Happy.
excited and happy.
Yeah.
So she likes to let everybody know.
Yeah, she definitely does.
But
So,
this was a ribbon cut.
ribbon cut, yeah.
So all the pieces kind of matched up.
Mm-hmm.
There's no odd sizes or anything like that.
Yeah. I think it should have been ribbon.
It was.
Okay. I still am having a hard time.
Trying to guess those? Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, they're... Because they are different sizes, but they all fit together. Every piece is like, it
yeah, that's true.
in their thing, so the line is even.
Oh, okay.
Even if they're not quite even all the way up or anything, it's still even for all the
even
pieces.
across. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was pretty easy.
Yeah, it was. We're gonna get going on to our next one.
Mm-hmm.
The puzzle held together really well, but we always like this brand, the Charles Wysocki, not brand, but the Charles Wysocki ones, the buffaloes are always really pretty good, holding together and everything. We actually picked it up at the end of it, and it held together. Yeah, so I don't think you couldn't hang it by itself, but you definitely could work it to get it, matted or whatever you were wanting to do with it if you want to keep it.
And there was, I believe, there was no puzzle dust.
Yeah.
And
or very little.
Very little, and no false fits.
Yep. No.
Everything fit in just
fine. Even if we tried to put it in the wrong place, it still did not fit and went into the right place.
Yeah.
Anyhow.
So you guys, stay tuned for the next one. Because we are gonna get started on that here very shortly.
Or it might be a puzzle haul. Stay
that's
tuned.
true.
You
We
never
do
know.
have some puzzle hauls.
Yeah.
So, you guys definitely stay tuned, and we will be right back.
Woohoo! All right, bye guys.